This Honeywell video is to bring to the notice of all the users of the TFE 731 engines the effect of over-torquing the oil scavenge line union threaded into the oil pump. It is important to apply the stipulated torque on the union. The union is a stainless steel part that is installed into a much softer aluminum oil pump. Here is an illustration of the setup. The union, item number 57, is torqued in place into the oil pump that's made of aluminum. When the B-nut on the oil scavenge line is installed on the union, item number 57, and over-torqued without using a backup wrench on the union, the torque on the B-nut would be such that it would create a shear tear-out, where the steel threads of the union, item number 57, will rip apart the aluminum threads on the oil pump. As the threads on the oil pump are ripped apart, this initiates a rapid oil loss from the high-pressure oil system. Here is an example of a TFE 731 engine where the oil scavenge line union was over-torqued into the oil pump, resulting in complete loss of oil through the damaged threads. This resulted in an in-flight shutdown. The engine was damaged beyond economic repair. To the left is the oil scavenge line union, and to the right is the corresponding oil pump with damaged threads at the scavenge line port. The loss of the oil system causes quick oil starvation of the bearings. As the bearings starve of oil, they quickly overheat and fail. The failure of the bearings manifests into the loss of the central line of the engine, which is sufficient to damage the key rotating components of the HP spool, as evident in this case. As seen in the pictures, to the left, the number 5 bearing is overheated, spalled and distorted, and to the right, the number 5 carbon seal rotor with the dynamic beam displaced from the ceramic runner. As seen in these pictures, to the left, the number 5 carbon seal was found to be overheated and worn, and to the right, we see the impeller with vanes that are rubbed, overheated and distorted. The impeller shroud can be seen overheated, rubbed and burnt through base metal in this picture. The maintenance manual prescribes the torque to be applied to the union or the adapter item number 57. The maintenance manual has a caution note for the torque application on the scavenge tube assembly B-nut. The note clearly specifies the consequence of over-torquing. Always remember to never exceed the torque limit specified for the union in the manuals, and always use a backup wrench on the union when the B-nut on the scavenge line is torqued. Here's a short video clip that demonstrates the use of backup wrench on the union when the B-nut on the oil scavenge line is torqued.